looks good.
Overdue pop. Bigger window, is it?
Should be identical.
Have you got Mr. Ladder?
Oh yeah, I'm your safety.
Oh, we need to move the ladder down. We can't put the window in.
Oh right.
Guns.
Yeah.
Remember about the butt. Cut that out.
No way.
And you will hold this ladder, yeah?
Oh yes, yes.
Oh, it's very, very old.
Okay, safety.
This is the sound I think
Woo!
cooking now. Loosey goosey.
Time to load up the trailer and make a run to the dump. To the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump. To the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump. And off we go to the dump. That was really heavy. Now I have to go to the dump and unload that again into a dumpster. So that's gonna be fun. But I know I can do it. I just have to do it. And that's my workout for today. I don't need to go home and lift dumbbells. So as long as everything stays in the trailer, we're good. Yep. Goodbye, kitchen floor. See you never. Bye, kitchen floor. Tidier. This pile is what I'm going to burn. This pile I'm going to go through and maybe put some of it indoors for the winter. And there's the fire. There's the thing from the kitchen. You might recognize that. That's got to go. That thing right there. That going. Woo! That going. Goodbye. Bye. Pile's gone. Oh yeah. Burning wood that is 150 years old.